I'm available for all sort of myitlab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Solving.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel chapter 3 Greater Cumulative Movie. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. We will go to the myitlab Pearson and go to the Excel chapter 3 Greater Cumulative Movie. Click on start button. We will download all files first in our download PC download folder. Okay, click on download materials button. All file will be downloaded in our download folder. Okay, we will go to our PC download folder and we will open our files. First, we will open instruction file Exp25 Excel chapter 3 Cumulative Movie. Click on enable editing button. We will increase the font size of this instruction file for a proper view in my video. Okay. Now I am going to start my assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is Exp25 Excel chapter 3 Cumulative Movie. You can see this is the title of assignment. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Here is question number 1. Start Excel. Download and open the file name Exp25 Excel chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Movies. Excel as grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Okay. Now question number basically this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson myitlab dashboard. Now I am opening my Excel workbook. You can see on my PC screen. This is my Excel workbook. Click on enable editing button. Okay. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. Okay. The next question of this assignment is question number 2. This is the main question of this assignment. This is first question. Okay. You want to create a pie chart to show percentage each category contributes to the monthly movie downloads. Okay. Select the range F5 to A10 and F5 to F10. Okay. Basically, in this question, we will create a pie chart using these two ranges. Okay. You can see here. Select the range F5 to A10, F5 to F10. We will select this two range, then we will create a pie chart and move into the chart name April pie chart. We will select this range F5 to A10, go to the Excel workbook, and we will select this range. Okay, and we will press Control and then we will select second range F5 to F10. Okay, F5 to F10. We will select second range. Both ranges are selected now. Now we will create a pie chart. We will go to the Excel workbook and then we will create a pie chart. Click on the Insert tab. Go to the Insert tab. In the Charts group, we will open Charts dialog box launcher. We will go to the All Charts. Go to the Pie Charts. Click on OK button. Pie chart will be inserted here. Now move the chart sheet name. Move it to a chart sheet name April pie chart. We will move this chart to a new sheet is April pie chart. Okay. We will move this chart. Go to the chart design tab. In the locations group, click on move chart button. Okay, new sheet. The new sheet name is April pie chart. Okay. Now moving on next question, we will click on OK button. This chart will be moved on new sheet April pie chart. The next question of this assignment is question number 3. The question number 3 is that okay, I have highlighted first. The question number 3 is that the pie chart need a descriptive title that is easy to read. Change the chart title to April 2027 streaming by genre. Apply bold 18 pt font size and black text font color. Okay. First we will change the chart title to April 2027 streaming by genre. We will click on chart title button here and we will remove this and we will paste copy and paste. We will type here April 2027 April 2027 streaming by genre. Okay. Then we will apply bold 18 point font size and black text font color. We will select this chart title. Okay. We will go to the home tab in the font group, apply bold, go to the font size and 18 font size and go to the font color. And we will apply black text font color. Black text font color on this chart title. Okay. This is so good. Now I am going to do question number 4 of this assignment. The question number 4 of this assignment is that percentage and category data label will provide identification information for the pie chart. Okay, you can read this. Okay, please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, contact me on my WhatsApp or email. I will do this complete assignment for you with a plus grade. Okay, add data label in the inside and position. Select the category name and percentage labels. Remove the value data label and the legend. Apply 14 point font size, bold and black text font color to the data label. Basically this question, first we will add data label in the inside and position. Go to the Excel workbook. Okay, click on chart element. Okay, we will click on data label button, select inside and position. Okay, data label will be inside and position. Then we will select the category name and percentage label. We will go to the okay format data labels. We will select category name and percentage data label. Okay, category and percentage. We will select this category name and percentage and then we will remove the value from the chart. Okay, then we remove the value data label and the legend. We will remove the value data label. We will remove the value data label and then we will remove the legend in here. Okay, this both will be removed from the chart. The next is that apply 14 point font size, bold and black text font color to the data label. Apply 14 point font size, bold. We will go to the home tab in the font group. Okay. Okay. And select 14 point size and then go to the font color and then apply black text font color. Okay, this is good now. And remove this. The next question is the next point is that question number 5. I have done 4 questions right now. You want to focus on the comedy movies by exploding it and changing its fill color. Explode the comedy slice by 7% and apply dark red fill color. Okay. Explode the comedy slice by 7% and apply dark red fill color. This is good now. You can see here I'm doing question 5. Explode the comedy slice by 7% and apply dark red fill color. We will go to the Excel workbook and then we will select comedy slice. Where is the comedy slice is here. Double click on this and then right click on this, click on format data point. Okay, we will explode this. 7%. Okay, this is good now. Now I am going to do next question. Sorry, and apply dark red fill color and apply dark red fill color. Now I am going to do question number 6. A best practice is to include alt text for accessibility compliance. Okay, compliance. At alt text, the pie chart shows percentage by genre for April 2027. Basically, in this question, we will have to add the alt text in the chart. We will copy this alt text and then right click on this chart and then click on add alt text. Add alt text. We will have to add alt text in here. Okay. The pie chart. The pie chart shows percentage by genre. Okay. Okay, this is 1 second, please. Okay, the pie chart. We will simply copy and paste up. The pie chart shows percentage by genre. The pie chart shows percentage by genre. Percentage by genre for April 2027. For April 2027. For April 2027. Okay, you can see here and then close it. I have entered this alt text. You can see, simply close this. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. I have done this question so well. Now I am going to do seventh question of this assignment. The seventh question of this assignment is that next you want to create a combo chart to depict the monthly totals and percentage by category. Display the data sheet. Select the range F5 to E10 and F5 to G10 and then create a cluster column line on scan axis combo chart. Okay, display the data sheet. We will display switch our data sheet and then select the range A5 to A10 and F5 to G10. We will go to Excel workbook, select first this range A5 to A10, then press Ctrl and then select second range F5 to G10. F5 to G10. Okay, both ranges are selected. Then we will create a cluster column line on scanty axis combo chart. We will create a cluster column. Go to the insert tab in the charts group. Open the chart dialog box launcher and then we will go to the all charts. Go to the combo chart. Go to the combo chart. Cluster column line on scanty axis. Okay, select this. Click on OK button. Now next question is that question number 8. You want to position the chart below the data source. Cut the chart and paste into cell A13. Change the height to 3.5 inches and the width to 6 inches. We will simply cut this chart and paste into cell A13. We will go to Excel workbook, cut this chart, right click on this, paste into cell A13. Change the height to 3.5 inches and the width to 6 inches. Select this chart, click on the format tab in the height to 3.5 inches and width to 6 inches and the width to 6 inches. Okay, this is good. Height and width is set now. Now I am going to do next question is question number 9. The question number 9 is that change the combo chart title to April 2027 streaming. Apply black text on font color to the chart title. You can read this question please. And if you do not able to do this assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. Okay. Change the combo chart title to April 2027 streaming. Apply black text one font color to the chart title. We will copy this title April 2027 streaming, or we will type on the combo chart title. We will go to the Excel workbook and then click on the chart title in the combo chart, and then we will copy and paste here, or we will type here April 2027 streaming. April 2027 streaming. Okay, then we will apply black text one font color to the chart title. Apply black text color one font color to the chart title. We will select